I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Ford F-150 tailgates. First, let's identify the most common issues you might encounter, such as a tailgate that won't latch properly or one that drops unexpectedly. These problems often stem from worn components or lack of lubrication. Understanding these initial signs is crucial for a successful repair, ensuring your truck remains safe and functional for all your hauling needs. Now let's dive into diagnosing the specific problem. Begin by thoroughly inspecting the tailgate cables. Look for any signs of fraying or complete breakage. Next, open and close the tailgate to observe the latch mechanism. Does it engage smoothly or does it stick? Also, carefully examine the hinges for any rust, bending, or excessive play that could prevent proper operation. A systematic check helps pinpoint the exact issue. Once you've identified the problem, it's time for the fix. If your cables are damaged, replace them with new, heavy-duty ones to ensure secure support. For sticky latches, a thorough cleaning followed by a generous application of a good quality lubricant will often restore smooth function. Don't forget to check all bolts and hinge pins, tighten any that are loose, and replace those that show significant wear to prevent future issues. To keep your F-150 tailgate in top condition, regular preventative maintenance is key. Make it a habit to clean and lubricate all moving parts, like hinges and latches, every few months. This simple step can significantly extend their lifespan. Also, be mindful of the weight you place on your tailgate to avoid bending or structural damage. And speaking of quality, if you're looking for durable gear, check out the link in the description for some fantastic deals, including our favorite socks and other great products.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.